Concerned about privacy on your iPhone? Let's secure your Facebook app with a lock. Hi, I'm Siuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to lock your Facebook app on your iPhone for added security. So let's get started. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Now go to the Automation tab. Tap on the New Automation button. Scroll down and tap on the App option. Tap on the Choose option. Find the Facebook app from the list of installed apps. After selecting Facebook, tap on the Done button at the top right corner of your screen. Now, tap on the Next button from the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the Create Personal Automation or New Blank Automation option. Tap on the Add Action option. Now, tap on the search bar and type in Lock Screen. Once it appears in the list, tap on it. Finally, tap on the Done button at the top right corner of your screen to finish creating the automation. And this is how you can lock your Facebook app on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.